how to install your bearing buddy. To properly install bearing buddy, you will need a grease gun, a hammer, a flathead screwdriver or a chisel, and a few rags. Step 1 is to take a rag and wipe down your old dust cap that may come standard with your trailer. This will prevent dirt from contaminating your new bearing buddy. Grab your flathead screwdriver or chisel and place it between your hub and dust cap. Then grab your hammer and begin to knock it loose. Be sure to rotate your tire to properly remove the dust cap. Next, take your new bearing buddy and wipe it down with a rag, making sure there is no dirt. Now place your bearing buddy in the center of your wheel hub and begin to tap it in place with your hammer, rotating your taps along the edge of the bearing buddy until it sits flush and firm. Please keep in mind that some bearing buddies have a small weep hole located on the top towards the edge. Next, you're going to grab your grease gun and place the grease gun fitting in the bearing buddy. When filling, grease will begin to expel from the weep hole, indicating that your bearing buddy is full. This particular model of bearing buddy we are installing today does not have that weep hole. Instead, you'll be watching for the spring located in the center of your bearing buddy. Once the spring compresses to about halfway, your bearing buddy is full. You can use generic wheel bearing grease, but if you are moving your trailer in and out of water often, it is recommended that you fill your bearing buddy with marine grade grease as it repels water better. Be aware not to overfill your bearing buddy with grease as it will begin to expel through the rear hub seal, allowing dirt to enter your hubs and bearing buddy, eventually compromising your wheel bearing. Please note that some models of bearing buddy include a dust cap, but this particular model we are using today, the dust cap is sold separately at our Legend Boat store. If you do have a dust cap for your bearing buddy, simply place the dust cap over top of your bearing buddy and press the center of your dust cap. This will create an airtight seal. Thank you, and we'll see you out on the water.